This is a 24 scale model of a cuckoo, which was basically a moored rescue barge that was put out in the English Channel at known grid locations for the pilots to find. Also placed in the North Sea. It is totally scratch built out of plastic card from a 72nd scale drawing which appeared in one of the model boat magazines many years ago. I scaled up the drawings to the correct size, and it's all built from plastic card with bulkheads, and detail was again plastic card. The ladders were probably the hardest thing to do, and the railings, but it turned out and is totally floatable and towable.